Good afternoon, this is KOCO Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane. Here is your November 13th noon weather briefing. The big weather story this morning, it was cold. Officially, Will Rogers World Airport in Oklahoma City got down to 19 degrees. El Reno, we got down to 12 degrees. That makes us the coldest spot in the entire state. Right around Chickasha, about 17 degrees. Norman, 20 degrees. Tulsa, 20 degrees. Stillwater, about 19 degrees. And even up and towards around Woodward, 22 degrees. It was cold, but the winds have shifted. They were coming in from the north. Now they're coming in from the south, and that is going to allow our temperatures to not be as cold over the next couple of days. If anything, temperatures are really going to be warming up quite nicely. We're seeing the cold air now moving across the mid-Atlantic and the east coast here. We're going to be in a fairly quiet weather pattern across the central plains and upper Midwest, but we are going to start watching a few more storm systems begin to line up across the Pacific Northwest. As we look at visible satellite across the United States here, from Nebraska, or from South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, all is quiet. As we look into the mountains, you see that white right here in Colorado. That is actually snow cover. This is not snow cover in Wyoming. This is actually cloud cover. And I grabbed an image from the Jackson Hole Ski Resort here, and you can see the clouds coming in. Jackson Hole is going to be located right about here. Vail Pass, Vail is going to be right about here. Clear sunny skies, but there is some snow on the side of the highway there. Again, if you are a big-time skier, if you like to ski, well, you like looking at these images down here. This image right here coming in from Loveland, which is right before the Eisenhower Tunnel on I-70 in Colorado. Some snow. You can see it's certainly up there, and same thing up around Copper Mountain. So we have the snow in Colorado. We just need to see that snow come down to the surface in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and eventually that will happen over the next couple days as we start to see more storm systems come in from the northwest, and they're going to swing right on down across the Rocky Mountains here. Looking at projected snowfall over the next 5 to 6 days here, you can see we'll see some snow in the Grand Tetons of Wyoming, around 1 to 3 inches, with a few areas getting up around 6 inches of snow. Colorado is certainly going to see more snow from Telluride, Aspen, Vail, Copper. As you go to Breckenridge, we could be seeing about a foot of snow, and the same thing as you go up right around near Steamboat Springs. So we'll get some snow in Colorado, some snow in the Wasatch Mountain Range there in Utah, and the same thing in around Wyoming. We will not see any snow, however, here in the Southern Plains as we watch this next storm system come in here. It's a weak one coming in early Saturday morning. We're going to see some showers kick off early in the morning between, I'd say, midnight and 6 a.m. Most of the rain activity will stay in southern Oklahoma as well as east of I-35, but still we will have a slight chance for some rain early Saturday morning. Otherwise, as we go into late Saturday afternoon and Sunday, all that moisture will be out of here. Temperatures begin that climb as well. We're going to see above normal temperatures. This map right here shows the departure from normal. So when you see Oklahoma and anyone here shaded in this red and brown color, that would be indicating anywhere between 10 to 15 degrees above normal. So the warmth, it's coming back here as we go into Saturday, and especially as we go into Sunday. We're going to see that warmth extend from Texas into Oklahoma through Missouri, Illinois, where temperatures are going to be as much as 25 degrees above normal. But look at all this cold air. It is moving in this direction back in across the Central Plains, and we will be getting cold again as we go into early next week. We'll talk about just how cold we're getting coming up tonight on KOCO 5 News at 5, 6, and 10. See you then.